Hello and welcome to Philip's Thoughts. Today we are going to amp up pumpkin pie. You know, regular pumpkin pie is great, but we're going to go ahead and just make it a little bit more special. Starting off with a large can of pureed pumpkin, and to that we're going to add our sugar. And we'll go ahead and get that stirred in. This is 1.5 cups of sugar. And we're going to add 4 eggs. And we're going to add our spices. This has got cinnamon, ground ginger, ground cloves, and some salt. I'll go ahead and get that in there. Then we're going to add 12 ounces of evaporated milk. Now that's our base pumpkin pie mix, and it's ready to go. Now we need to get some of our ingredients together to amp this up. Alright, so what we have here is we have 1 egg, 1 package of cream cheese, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And to that I'm going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to blend this up. Now that we have our cream cheese mixture all mixed up, we're going to put that into a plastic bag. So it'll be a little bit easier to pipe into our pies. Okay, now here I've got my frozen pie shells, and we're going to add our next ingredient, which is Hershey's Kisses. My plan is that there's going to be a surprise. It's going to look like a regular pumpkin pie from the top, but when it's cut into, it's going to be something different. As you can see, I did one with a lot of chocolate and the other one not so much. Figured we'd experiment and see how these come out. Now I'm taking my cream cheese mixture, which I've placed in the bag, put that in between the pieces of chocolate. Now I'm going to use a measuring cup and just gently put our pumpkin pie filling over top. And we're going to put these into a 425-degree oven. Let that go for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to turn the temperature down to 350, and then we'll watch it for another 40 to 50 minutes. Alright, the pies are out of the oven. We're going to have to let these cool for a while, so that the chocolate inside has time to firm up that. So otherwise, if we cut it right now, the chocolate's just going to ooze everywhere, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. These pies, as you can see, are a little bit darker than regular pumpkin pies you see in the store, and that's just because I like having a lot of spice and flavor in mine. We'll give these a while and cut into them and see how they look. Alright, so here we've got our pies ready to eat. Hopefully the chocolate shows through on the pumpkin pie. And you can see I topped these with homemade whipped cream. And on that pie you can see where the cheesecake shows through. Now the hardest part of this video is figuring out which pie to try first. Till next time, keep thinking.